How to restore Windows default zip file functionality. I recently lost the default file association for zip files in Windows Vista. I think it happened when I uninstalled Windows, but I can't be completely sure. How can I restore this association back to the Windows default?
Try this article from MSDN, How to Restore the Native Zip File Integration in Windows. You only have to do this from an elevated, Run as Administrator, command prompt.
The first post is the long way to perform this 3-step process. Here is a simple and easy way to change the file association back to Windows Explorer. Locate the file. Right-click the file. Click Properties. Locate the Open With button and click it. Browse to the Windows Explorer to see /Windows/Explorer and highlight the Explorer file. Check Use as Default, apply OK.
This works for me in Windows 7. Remove. cmd/csoc.zip equals compressed folder. End result. I had the same problem and this worked for me. Click the Windows orb, Start, and GT, All Programs and GT, Accessories and right-click Command Prompt, then Run as Administrator. Type assoc.zip equals compressed folder, and press Enter. You may have to restart the computer.
If you want full support channel, please consider subscribing.